Hello students, today we discuss long question answers of chapter physical and chemical change. So first of all, question number 1 is differentiate between physical and chemical reaction or change it may be, and explain with examples. So what is chemical reaction and physical reaction or change? So in chemical reaction, a reaction in which two or more reactant combine together and it form new product. It is known as chemical reaction. Example, burning of magnesium ribbon. So when magnesium combine with oxygen, it form magnesium oxide, and formula of magnesium oxide is MgO, which is white in color, white powder ash. And next is physical reaction or change in which physical state of a substance change, and in physical change or reaction no new product is obtained or formed, is known as physical reaction. Example, folding of paper or melting of ice. Now question number 2 is what are endothermic and exothermic reaction, and give one example each to support your answer. So endothermic reaction is what? Reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Example, photosynthesis. It is endothermic reaction which is take place in presence of sunlight. Okay. Now next is exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat is evolved or given out is known as exothermic reaction. Example, respiration. It is a process in which heat is evolved. Now question number 3 is briefly explain different types of chemical reaction. So number 1 is combination reaction. So what is combination reaction? Reaction in which two or more reactant or substance combine together and form product is known as combination reaction. Example, when carbon burn in presence of oxygen, it form carbon dioxide. So this one is the example of combination reaction. Now next reaction is decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? A reaction in which a compound decompose or break down into two or more simpler component or substances is called decomposition reaction. Example, when we burn or heat calcium carbonate, and formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. When we heat calcium carbonate, it forms calcium oxide, and calcium oxide is also known as quicklime and carbon dioxide, and it is gas which is denoted by upward arrow. Now next reaction is displacement reaction. So what is displacement reaction? A reaction in which highly reactive metal or element displaces less reactive metal or element from its salt solution is called displacement reaction. Example, when iron nail kept in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, and the color of copper sulfate is blue. So when iron nail dipped in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, then we get green color iron sulfate and reddish brown coating of copper deposited over iron nail. So in this reaction, iron is highly reactive metal than copper. That's why iron displaces copper from copper sulfate aqueous solution, and we get green color iron sulfate and copper deposited over iron nail. Now next reaction is double displacement reaction. So what is double displacement reaction? A reaction in which exchanging of ions takes place is called double displacement reaction. Example, when barium chloride BaCl2 aqueous, react with sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 aqueous, then it form barium sulfate, white precipitate, and sodium chloride aqueous. So in this reaction, exchanging of ions takes place. Barium, which is positive charge, and chloride ion, which is negative charge, and sodium positive charge, and sulfate, which is negative charge, exchange there, and barium react with sulfate, and chlorine attracted toward sodium ion, then it forms sodium chloride and barium sulfate respectively. That's all for today.